Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be putting a new .3.4 brake fluid into my brake system. So what I've done, I've taken all four wheels off and I am going to start the furthest away from my brake booster, which is this one here. That's my brake booster and that's my brake reservoir. And as you can see how I've set everything up. Count to 5. 1. Oh. Yeah, count.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Then hold. Yeah, I just want to make sure you're holding. And as you can see, there is no bubble in my system. There's nothing. It's just straight fluid just coming down. And then tighten it up. And then bleed again. So pump 5 times. Then hold down the brake pedal. And then you tighten. So Shanti again. So it's tight here. And she can pump the brakes.
3, 4, 5.
And then, yeah, hold. So when she holds, I open it. There we go. You can see it. The brake fluid. There's no air, there's no bubble. And if there's no air, no bubble, it's good. So tighten when she holds. And there we go. So when you do this, you start far away from the brake booster. And then the second farthest, the third farthest, and it's the last one that's close to the brake booster. As you can see, there's my max, there's my min. When you're doing your brake fluid, you don't want to go under the min, or else you're going to end up having air in your system. Make sure you always keep on topping it up and topping it up.